Did you know 35% of your customers are abandoning their carts because checkout takes too long? And one of the biggest friction points, typing out addresses on mobile. It's painful. Errors? Common. But what if you could eliminate that frustration completely? What if your customers could finish their address in just 3 seconds with 0 typing errors? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Address Autocomplete to your WooCommerce store in under 2 minutes. Let's see this in action. Here's a checkout page. Watch closely as I start typing an address. As soon as I type 1600 amp, Google suggests real addresses instantly. Look at that. I select a suggestion and boom, every field is filled automatically. Street address, city, state, zip code, and even the country. Your customers just saved 45 seconds of typing, and the best part? The address is validated by Google, so no more shipping errors. This works perfectly on both mobile and desktop. Before we start, you'll need 2 things. Number 1, ShopLentor Pro. This is a Pro-only feature, so make sure you have an active license. Number 2, a Google Places API key. Don't worry, this is free for most stores. Now, let's activate the module in ShopLentor. In your WordPress admin, go to ShopLentor, Settings, More Modules. Scroll down until you find Google Address Autocomplete. Click the settings icon, toggle the switch to on, and you're good to go. Once enabled, you'll see 3 settings appear: API key, apply to, and allowed countries. Let's configure the settings. First, paste the API key we just copied from Google Cloud Console. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Next, choose Apply to. You can select billing and shipping, billing only, or shipping only. I recommend billing and shipping for best results. Finally, under Allowed Countries, you can restrict autocomplete to certain countries by entering their ISO country codes, for example, US, CA, GB. Click Save Settings when done. Now go to your store, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Start typing the address and watch the autocomplete suggestions pop up. Click on a suggestion, and bam, every field is filled automatically. Let's test it on mobile too. It works seamlessly. Your mobile customers will love it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.